Niyabona abantu sibaphakelayo basenze namhlanje. Bonke labadlali ade bedlala kuZimbabwe bakhulele la. Badlala la. Ugoalkeeper udle iMamelodi Sundowns. Kwi-curling. Uzokwenza namhlanje udli squad. Aphinde futhi bapha abafowabo bagcwele la egroundini.
Bastelela manje.
Badlala la ekhaya. Bahlala la ekhaya. Yini ungasicabangeli nje bona ukuthi hawu labantu
Sinike one goal.
inext game yabo abangayisadlalela la abadlalela ngale Zimbabwe bahambe. Hayi abahambe.
Observed, but yeah, that's what it is. Tutula. As you know that South African Human Rights Commission summoned us to court, and we went to court. And after court, we then decided with some patriots, let's go and support Bafana because there was a soccer match between Zimbabwe and South Africa in Moses Mabhida Stadium. And we went, and I must say, I sat there and I observed the attitude of South Africans towards foreigners. Guys, we are sitting on a time-ticking bomb. Now, it even went to a point where South Africans were like, now, this was because of the attitude, the arrogance. Some Zimbabweans bad guys. And South Africans are like, not here. That was the attitude that I've observed is all. South Africans are hurtful. And, if government is not going to do anything about this immigration crisis we are facing as a country, we are on a time-ticking bomb. It's going to explode anytime soon. And I don't think government is ready for that. But I thought, let me just share my experiences. Since I was with the masses, a stadium, and I sat there and I observed. But yeah, that's what it is. Tutula.
You got passport?
Itima.
You know what, Bale?
One saga in a passport.
Bale.
Sayidiliza umthatha lithatha. Sayidiliza ixesha liphelile ixesha. Guys, if you want us to come back, we'll come back and help you. But at the moment, help yourself quickly. Silapha lithatha.
Take your things and go.
You can't park, I'll help you. If you can't park, we'll help you. We'll help you.
I will kick this thing down.
No. Start to park. I say I will pass. Start to park.
We don't have time, Mama. We don't have time, please. We don't have time. We don't have time. We don't have time. We don't have time.
I'm going to park.
We don't have time, guys. We don't have time. That's the thing that.
I'm going to park. I've got paper to work here.
Which paper do we have? Which paper do we have?
I will park.
Which paper do we have? Which paper do we have? Did immigration ask you? Did the immigration give you the paper to sell here? Did you invest here before you sell? Did you invest here in South Africa 5 million before we have a paper?
What do you mean about hawker?
You must to do a business here in South Africa. You must invest first. You can't just come and do business here because prof we want you to do business here.
Immigration.
No, pack your thing and go.
You are not immigration.
You are clever in the wrong country. You are clever in the wrong country, Sisi. You are very clever. You are clever in the wrong country. This is the wrong country. This is South Africa. It's not a Munangwakwa or whatever.
Official, but you cannot find the will of the people.
You are talking about
You bribe immigration and you come and tell us that we are not immigration. You are clever in the wrong country, Sisi. If you are clever,
Whoever takes,
you're supposed to be clever in the wrong country.
hey, shut up.
a re bulehe go Immigration Act e le molao o hlileng le ona o sebetsang ka batho ba ntate o la hlakisa o la ikaraba mara ke tsebe na ona understand le go ikaraba Renale section 42 you are able to read it yourself if you Google Immigration Act 13 of 2002 as amended section 42 subsection A Roman figure 8 ya tseba haditse di di bua re fela ha o ya section 42 ho Google o tla ipalla magata bo fihle ntwe ke bua ka e bua ka habari o bile ka yo that's harboring and once you are harboring a non-citizen an undocumented person illegally got a country it's a contravention of law kama ntswamang o tlola mola jwale tsamogao tsa taba ya mofuta o dife
Ika passport. E teng ma.
You're the one,
O go a ntshara ene passport wa ka e jang.
Bale.
Human Rights Commission is let's say la enkantolo namhlanje bathi babopha amaphoyisa ngokuthi awasibophi so bafuna ukusinterdict nathi ukuze siboshwe amaphoyisa bathi balwela amalungelo abantu bokufika abala ngongemthetho kodwa bakufihli ke bona lapho balwa nathi because ngicabanga ukuthi bayazi bona ukuthi yini abayibenefitayo from abantu bokufika sesibonile vele ukuthi la eSouth Africa khona ama cartels khona ama mafia akhona and mawuyibuka nje indlela yakhona indlela eorganize ngayo lento ama illegal immigrants ngeke uzongitshela ukuthi abekho abantu abakhulu abazama uyiphusha lento kuze ngenelele ne Human Rights Commission yethu ingasibiza izosihlalisa phansi ithi ngicela sibone ukuthi singayilungisa kanjani lento ukuthi siphuthumise ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe kunalokho bazositshela ukuthi bayasibopha so ibona baziyo honestly ukuthi ba benefitani ngoba uyazi ukuthi makukhulunywa ngabantu bokufika iHuman Rights Commission igxuma ihlale kade nje namanje ilwela ukuthi fanele badedele ukuthi bahlale kumabhilidi buthephu nje
Amapolisa kuthiwa khaba abantu emthatha sifuna uyibona ireef amapolisa hayi lembanqo ewe Zeningoyiki hayi lengalewe Zeningoyiki hayi lembanqo ewe Sikhwela amapolisa thina hayi lembanqo ewe Sikhwela amapolisa thina hayi lembanqo ewe Ay